Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're making vegan pumpkin fudge.
Yum. Why vegan? Why not? They're a little healthier than the average bears.
Yeah.
They're pumpkin-y, they're, whatchamacallit, cashew butter.
They look good.
They look good. Rebecca, not gonna like them. There's coconut oil in them, and she's not a fan of the
see the
cashew.
coconut oil.
And
like there's
the
chips
almond
there.
butter or whatever.
Cashew butter?
Cashew.
Cashew butter. We've gone on and on and on about ingredients, Abby. Where can people find the ingredients for today's episode?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
I have high hopes for this, people. I have high hopes. But I also have a little bit of doubt. Shall we get started?
Who is that?
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is as complicated as it gets, to the point where it maybe should have just been a quick make. Can you start putting in the star of the show, which is ironically not pumpkin, but really it's the cashew butter, which is a really loved vegan ingredient, and I'm not kind of sure why.
Because it's the best.
It is tasty. Now,
tasty.
Unfortunately, Rebecca, not a huge fan. So, not a huge fan of coconut oil. So,
I don't think Rebecca's
I
gonna
don't
like
think I'm
probably gonna
like
miss
it.
on these, aren't you?
What was
All
it?
right, so Abby's got that in, and Rebecca, you can start pouring those two in. Let's put the pumpkin spice on top. Yeah, there's no, pumpkin spice last, and it doesn't really matter. Maple syrup, melted coconut oil. Get all that ooey gooey
Doesn't
sweetness.
smell so good.
You can
Coconut
dump that in.
oil.
Dump that on top. There you go. That is our homemade pumpkin spice, which you can watch us make right here. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz.
ASMR.
And let's try here,
Yeah, you do
get some of
that.
this off. We're gonna keep this handy because there's a
Yeah,
good
scrapey,
chance
scrapey
we're
the
gonna have to
sides?
scrapey, scrapey.
Wow.
I splashed you.
It's okay.
When you put this in, try not to stick it over that.
Yeah, when I put that on, I figured that would be a bad thing.
You just lick your fingers and touching on food.
That's it, people. Thank you for watching. That'll be the end of today's show. Or not.
Wait, why
Again,
is it the
as
end?
always, fancy fancy blender.
Because-
You do need a food processor, but you don't need the fancy
Wait, what's
fancy
this
one.
for?
This is for adding
Air.
two things. If your ingredients are hot, you let the hot steam
Air.
come out, like if you're doing soup. And then the other thing is, if you're slowly adding oil, you can pour the oil in through there. I'm
use
pretty
that
sure
constantly.
that's like the 5th time we've explained that to people as well.
That's why I know it.
I don't think we have to blend this to pulpy
very
oblivion, but there are definitely, I can see over here,
It looks really good, but
Some
I
of the
don't think it tastes good.
cashew butter. So we are going to scrape this down, blend it one more time, and then we're going to come right back with our prepared 8x8 pan, and we're going to top this with a few pecans. Do you like pecans at least?
Yes.
What did you have for lunch? I'm guessing peanut butter and jelly? We'll be right back.
We're done.
Guys, like that's it. This has my favorite tool in it in the world, which is,
Parchment paper! It's your new best friend.
which we're in fact out of, which is bringing me great pain. I tried to go buy some more, but apparently we're back to hoarding stuff and there's no more parchment paper. Who knew that there would have been a
No,
run
it's
on
because
that?
everyone's watching our videos and everyone knows it's your best friend, so everyone's taking it.
I would love to believe that we had that amount of influence. However, anywho. Again, so I didn't know if I was gonna love this.
Can we pour it?
I just tried it like this,
I'm
and
not trying it until it's done.
I kind of liked it. Kind of liked it a lot. This is the most tedious part of this whole recipe, people, is trying to minimize the amount of waste.
It's the hardest part of it.
The hardest part of it. You want to put it in?
Yes, I do want to put it in.
Pour
You
it?
can. Yeah, it's spreadable with the help of a spatula.
I know.
Again, try get it in the center so we can spread it around afterwards. After we get this in here, we're gonna level it. We have some pecans or pecans, if you will.
Pecans.
Pecans, are you a pecan person? You're a pecan person. I really want to make pecan pie, people. But
Yes!
I would love to make a recipe that's not mostly
Pecans.
corn sugar.
It's spreading itself.
It is. That's a positive sign. These are going to go in the freezer until they're set, which is lovely because there's no cooking, there's no baking.
You don't need to preheat an oven.
Here, how about I take
you
over
can
here?
help me.
This is
I
the
want
same.
to do that.
You want to do that? Yeah.
But you can do most of it.
I can do all the hard work. You'll swim in at the end.
Yeah.
She'll just lick it with her finger even though she doesn't.
Highly recommend a spatula for this, people.
Yes.
We should have used our special new one with the turny, the dip.
The spoon?
Yeah, the spoon one.
That's
People,
for
I think we've
Nutella.
shared this, that we eat so much Nutella and the Nutella jars are so weird.
No, our black one.
Oh.
What?
Nutella
I'm
one with
so
We-
confused.
We bought different spatulas because I have the heat sensitive one so that we can make sweet stuff like sugars. All right. We don't have to be perfect.
Yeah, I'll just lick it.
We can lick that
Get
later.
to do any of it.
How about you spread that around, my poor neglected child? Get that corner hit.
No.
Another way to make these nice, flat, and even.
Slam it.
Speaking of ginger. Oh. Now we will take some pecans because I
I
think
was
that's a
gonna
nice
do that.
idea. Don't spread them. I mean, make sure you spread them out evenly. I have great. No. Not dumpy. Picky uppy. And sprinkle. Come on, guys. There's like 4 ingredients. Oh, look at Bay here.
I told my after school teacher that, and he was like, "Yeah, I know the name, but I forget the name."
You know the name. You know the action, but you forget the name. He's Salt Bay. I think he's Turkish, Lebanese.
Okay, now I can do
Because
it.
we were sprinkling sparkles on our paintings.
Hurry up.
Let's go.
Boom.
We're finished.
Our
We'll
fudge is
see
done.
you guys with like
We're gonna stick this in the
actual fudge
freezer,
squares.
and we're gonna come right back. And well, we're not gonna come right back. I'm thinking like an hour, but we'll test it in an hour. And you know us, we always rush this part. And what did we make? Our pumpkin squares that we made last week. They were so much better when they were cool. That we're gonna try resist the urge to do these too quickly.
We'll put it in the downstairs freezer. because
We are.
that's
We're totally
really
putting it in
cold.
the coffee freezer. See you in a bit. Bah.
Yeah, but cut
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back. We thought we were going to do this properly and wait the full day. And you know what? Maybe it'll taste even better tomorrow. We
We'll
let
let
this
you
go.
know.
How long did this go? What time is it now? Yeah, we let this go like more or
4:10.
less 4 hours in the freezer. And I'm kind of the opinion that after 4 hours, nothing more gets frozen. Full disclosure,
Really good.
we left our parchment paper underneath this tray a little gooier than I would have liked, but when one thinks of fudge, there's kind of like there's two schools of fudge, right?
So it can't be frozen. It has to be fudge melted.
It's very messy, like
Very. Maybe
Like-
we should have put it in the freezer for longer.
well, I don't know that it'll make a difference.
It's
Abby?
fudge.
And now that I look at this, it's funny.
Oh!
I thought the pieces were too big.
They're too
I'm
small.
just gonna take like.
They're definitely too
Can I
big.
eat it?
Yeah, of course, go. Needless to say, I enjoy it. And you
If
enjoy
you
it.
don't like coconut, don't make it.
It's also,
Very.
interestingly, very forward with the whole thing is about pumpkin. Like you can really taste the pumpkin in
I
this
don't
one.
taste the pumpkin.
You don't taste the
Neither.
pumpkin? I
I
taste the
don't.
pumpkin. I taste the pumpkin spice. Definitely strong on the cashew.
I
We're
do
gonna stick it
taste
back in the
cashew.
freezer. We're gonna try it again tomorrow.
I'm not.
You're done. That's cool.
How do you know? Maybe it's gonna be better the next day.
Could be amazing tomorrow. Probably not, because it's gonna taste the same. Thank you for
That'd be
watching. Thank you for experimenting with us.
Make sure to smash that thumbs up button.
Smash
Hit
it.
Yeah.
Someone's been watching the YouTubes.
Hit the subscribe
No,
button.
share with your friends. Like, even if it is a disaster, share with your friends. Laugh at us together.
Hit the post notifications, people.
And
Bell.
Follow us on the Instagram, on the Facebook, on the YouTube, on all of that.
Yeah, that's
Thanks for
pretty much
watching.
it.
I don't know why you watch, because these guys are really annoying. And I'm perfect, but they're very annoying. So thank you for watching. We will see you next week with another very exciting pumpkin episode.
Bye. See you next time.
She's very fast.
Apparently the camera thought we were being super annoying as well and stopped. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.